Welcome to a live trade, y'all. So, if we don't inverse this 5 minute for body gap right here, we are cooked. If we inverse it, I'm pretty confident that we're going down here. If we don't, then like I said, we are cooked. I am trading gold, micro gold. I wish I would have entered down here, like in this reaction right here, but I was distracted. I was distracted and I was literally watching YouTube when I knew I had my trend line. We broke out of it, didn't take these lows right here. We came up here, retested the trend line, reacted to it. We could have entered right here as well, but that would have been a stop, like a break even point right here. But this one would have been the best, and I would have been big on the trade right now. But I didn't, but then we got an entry. We got it set up somehow. So we had this 5 minute fair value gap right here. Unfortunately, we did get it inverse, and we went all the way to the 1 minute fair value gap right here. Reacted off of it. We break structure, inverse this 1 minute, and that's what I went by, and that's how I entered the trade. But right now we are reacting to that 5 minute fair value gap right there, which is unfortunate. But I believe that we will go down. Why? Well, we do have this one. Well, now we have one, two, three, and four lows, and same for the 5 minute lows. One, two, three, four 5 minute lows. For 50 minutes, one, two, three, one, two, three. 15-minute lows, and then for the 30 minutes, we have one, two, and three 30-minute lows, and then for the 1 hour, we do have one, two, like one, two, and three lows. So I'm pretty confident that we would go up. Unfortunately, like you are seeing right now, we might lose the trade. And if I lose, I'll pause this video, but that's what I enter off of. Unfortunately, we just gotta see. We do have a bigger structure. We're reacting to this 1 minute bearish for belly gap. If we inverse it, then that would probably mean that we are losing. If we respect it and we go down to test this 5 minute fair value gap again, then that would probably mean that we will go down. Once we go down to this low, I'll move my stop loss to break even, but I won't take any partial profits out. So we just gotta be patient. My stop loss is pretty high up, it's alright. It's pretty good. Like I said, if we inverse that 1 minute fair value gap right here, then we're cooked, and that's it. But this is my trade. Why am I trading at this hour? Honestly, I don't know. But I saw a setup. I was looking at the market, and I unfortunately missed this trade right here. But we got another setup, and we waited a little bit. I was going to enter off of some like this inverse 1 minute for belly gap, but then we went up to this one bearish 1 minute for belly gap, so we reacted off of it and we break structure. We are in this 1 minute bearish for belly gap, so if we react nicely to that one, then we are good. We respected the 5 minute um, bullish for belly gap, which is not necessarily good for me. So, but we'll see. I mean, if we lose, we lose 300. If we win 641. That's just how it is. Unfortunately, my trade didn't go as planned. Up down, we break structure to the upside right here. I wanted to enter somewhere down here, which would have been giving me a pretty nice entry, but this 1 minute came down here. And as you can see, this might be a pretty quick video. I'll post it right now. I don't care, but um, yeah, we just gotta wait and see. We have a lot of lows, which I'm surprised that we are not going down there to get. Like even in the hourly, we went up here, we're going down here. Like if you tell me that we don't want to go down there, I'll be impressed. We are about to get stopped out, unfortunately, so let's just wait and see what happens.
Order filled.
And we lost. Well, this sucks. This sucks. Yeah, I don't know what to say. This really sucks. The setup was there. The reactions were there. We did inverse a 5 minute and we were reacting to a 5 minute for body gap. If this starts to go down after literally getting me out of here and getting me out of my trade for this tick right here, I will be pissed. I'll go to bed mad. I'll go to bed mad. Because that's a beautiful reaction off of that high. That's a beautiful reaction. Um, I hope it honestly goes higher because that way it would tell me that I was wrong. If it goes down to these lows, I'll be mad because like I was literally in the trade, so I don't know what to do. I guess I want to be here for this trade. I want to be here so I could post it on the video and see whether I was right or if I was wrong. I honestly, I hope I'm right. I know I lost already, but at least I hope my trade and the direction was right. I mean, look, this trade would have been the best, obviously, but of course, I was not there. And once I see a somewhat good setup and I enter, all of a sudden we start going up again. So I don't know. I guess I would just wait. We have um, way more beautiful draws and liquidity to the downside. Well, we'll see. If I get stepped out by that, then that is upsetting. But it tells me that I was right about the direction of the market. I mean, I'm honestly really confident that the market wants to go down. I just want to see if I'm right or not. Honestly, I don't care about the money. I just want to be right because that's more important to me than winning the money. Of course, winning the money so I could pass uh, my combine would be nice. I think I might just have. Did I just take my trade in the? No, I thought I was safe. I took my trade in the ineligible inavailable ineligible ineligible account, but nope. I took it in the real one, and we really don't have that much room to lose, honestly. Um, okay. Well, if I'm watching this video, I wouldn't want to go back in the charts to see. And I was patient, man. I was patient enough to wait for this breaker structure. I could have entered here, having my. I don't want to move this. I could have entered off of this 1 minute for Balaga reaction right here. Could ended up here. We still would have been in drawdown, but at least it would have been safer. If it goes higher than this level right here, then I was wrong. And I was wrong and I couldn't read the market. I don't know. I guess we're just gonna have to wait. Please go higher. Please go higher. That way, at least you're telling me that I was wrong. Because getting stopped out by this is not fair. Not fair at all. At all. At least go up here, so I know even if I entered here, I would have lost. Like, what is this? What's all this movement, man? Even here would have been, it would not have been bad, you know. I mean, I would enter there because sometimes it goes higher, but honestly, you could have put it up here if you wanted to. And like, how are we not going to those lows? That's what I'm. Oh well, still holding on. It's not moving. I just need that. Boom. Go up. Just a tiny bit. Just go boom. This high. Right there. And I'll be okay with my loss. Which I don't know how. I mean, I'm not mad about my trade. I mean, look. Bearish. I'm not mad about it. Could I have prevented it? Yes. Why? Well, we have a, okay, good. So I would have lost anyway. We have a inverse 5-minute fair value gap right here, and we came down to react off of it. So even if I was in this position, I would have been stopped out right here. So it's unfortunate, but I guess that's the trade for tonight. Tomorrow I'll trade again, and let's hope I have better luck. Today is still December 11 at 9:10 p.m. I'll see you guys tomorrow.